Hello students, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about chapter 4 of your book 3A. All you need to learn is I want to, okay? I think this one is really easy for you because in my lesson you always say I want to go to toilet, I want to blah blah blah, okay? So this chapter is just about I want to. Of course, you will need to use the words you learn in this chapter. Like, for example, you can say I want to go to the bookshop, okay? Other than saying where you want to go, of course you can also say about what you want to do, right? Like you can say I want to buy some exercises. Yay! It must be your favorite, right? So from now on, you can use I want to tell people where you want to go. And also, what do you want to do? Alright, it must be very easy for you. But you need to remember one thing. When you are using I want to go to a bookshop or I want to do something, remember the verb here, remember it must have no change. Okay, it must have no change because we have to here. So no change. Don't add ed, don't add as, just keep it as go and buy. Alright, that's it for today. I hope to see you soon and let's talk about it again in the lesson. Bye!